My dear friends, partners, franchisees, everybody, business associates, people who have been with us for many, many years, a very, very warm welcome to you and a very warm welcome to a new era in the history of Eureka Forbes. Yesterday, on the occasion of Anant Chaturdashi, which was a very auspicious day, we had the signing ceremony of our new owners yesterday. So yesterday evening in the office, in our Eureka Forbes office, we had the team from Advent International, the team from SP Group, and we looked at the past, present, and future of Eureka Forbes. The past is the SP Group. They've been a fantastic group. They worked with us for 20 years. They owned us for 20 years. They gave us very, very strong legacy. They gave us tremendous values, and they gave us fantastic springboarding to take this opportunity to take us to the future, which is Advent International. Advent International is one of the world's largest and most respected private equity groups. They have over 75 billion, not million, billion dollars worth of investment. They have 14 offices in 12 different countries, India being one of their very important markets. Advent also has a great history with Crompton Greaves, where they took over the company and multiplied the stock multifold over the 5-year period that they were there. They exited their last tranche last month with a very, very, very profitable thing for their people, for their partners, for their things, and tremendous growth. So Advent is very, very important because we had this process of looking at divesting of Eureka Forbes from the SP Group. The SP Group decided that they would like to focus on their core businesses of infrastructure, and they wanted to move away from consumer businesses. And one of the things that they had to do was to look at Eureka Forbes being on the block. So Eureka Forbes came on the block. We met 58 different people. 58 different people signed a non-disclosure agreement to buy the company. The management team made 10 different presentations. We shortlisted 3, and finally Advent was the one that bid 4,400 crores. Now this 4,400 crores of enterprise value is tremendous. It's almost double the value that is paid as a multiple for different companies that have been acquired in the recent past in our business and our industry. Now this stands testimony to the growth of Eureka Forbes. The credit goes to all of you, to all our people, that we've been able to get this tremendous value for this company. Everybody has put in their blood, sweat, and toil into building this great organization called Eureka Forbes. That as we move forward with Advent into a new journey in our lives, this will be even more exciting. So many people will be having questions. What does it mean for them? How does it work out? What is it going to be? Nothing changes at this point of time. At this point of time, everything remains the same. People will be the same, teams will be the same. Only thing that we will now focus on are 2 things which are more important. One is growth. How do we get multiple growth to make sure that Eureka Forbes takes the next level in this chapter of history? And the second is to make sure that we comply with all the ethical standards, all the compliance standards of a public limited company. We will be listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange very soon. And with this listing will come a whole lot of compliances. We will need to make sure that we remain completely compliant with all the processes that are now listed in the listing company process. So these are the 2 things that I think we will be. I believe this is a very exciting time for us. It's a new chapter in our history. Eureka Forbes has always been a bestseller book. This one will be a new chapter in our book. We're a 40-year-old company. Advent is almost 35 years old. So we're very similar in terms of age. The team is fantastic at Advent. They've been pushing us, they've been exciting us, they've been challenging us. And we're looking forward to a fantastic journey together. So I'm taking this opportunity to invite all of you on this journey along with us as we rewrite the history of Eureka Forbes. It'll be a great opportunity for all of us to make in the next exciting times to come. So welcome to this journey. Good luck and God bless. I'm happy to answer any questions. Drop in an email to me, mazen@eurekaforbes.com, and we'll be very, very happy to answer any of your questions as we go along. So thank you for this, and thank you for being our partners. Thank you for building Eureka Forbes to this great level. And now let's take it to the next level. Good luck and God bless.